Hello, it's day 7 of Sheringham to Istanbul. Today we were meant to be going to Triglav National Park, but overnight the heavens opened. But apparently it's going to be really bad weather all day. It's a bit overcast at the moment, but if you look over to the west at Triglav National Park, then it's really cloudy over there. So we decided not to do a 5-hour trek to stay in a mountain hut and then a 5-hour trek back, and we've just got some local accommodation near Ljubljana. But before that we are going to go for a little hike around Lake Bled.
It's about a 5k walk, so it'll be quite nice, and it's sunny at the moment-ish and not raining, so
yeah, sun's just come out. Yeah, maybe we should have done the walk. My top tip: come to Lake Bled, but don't come during the season. Go in the shoulder seasons. We came last time in September and it was absolutely beautiful. Still is beautiful, just lots of cars. These are the moments you just want to put the camera down and enjoy it. That's exactly what I'm going to do now.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes. You'll be just fine. You'll be just fine.
Yeah, right, there you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we've just made it 5k all the way around the lake, so walked the entire thing now, which is really nice. It's less touristy the further away from the actual town centre you get, so it's nice to see it a little bit more quiet and peaceful.
And now we're going to head to Ljubljana. But yeah, it was very nice. We got a coffee on the way. Nice trip.
Yeah, enjoyed it.
So we've just arrived at our hotel in Ljubljana and the door's locked. Thank you.
Neke lokacije gledamo tu po Sloveniji i onda...
Ma ne ništa, ja ću biti...
That's all right. So we've just had a little rest at the hotel. I had a little sleep.
I painted my nails.
And now we're going to try and head into Ljubljana. We found a bus that takes us from the outskirts to the city centre. Bus 19.
This one? I
Yeah.
don't mind going backwards.
So we just got off the bus. We managed to get off the bus and not pay. So I've experienced that a few times because they just can't be dealing with sorting out, like, you know, cards and stuff like that. So free transport. This is Ljubljana. So we're just heading down to the river right now, and then we're going to head across the river and go to the Thai restaurant. You look nice.
Thank you.
You just flap your hair again.
You'll get messy now.
Yeah, you're doing it now. I can't not have my glasses on.
No, you're not inside. You look stupid with glasses on.
But then I get snail eyes. See what I mean? What are you gonna get?
I don't know what you can get.
Thai green curry for Chris. So we've just finished our Thai meal. I think it was one of the best Thai meals I've had outside of Thailand. Yeah. Now we're just gonna have a little wander around the city, head back, try and get a bus back, if not get a taxi, and head to bed. We just found a dog that looks like Eddie from Frasier. Look how busy it is in Ljubljana.
This is the Free Bridges, which is literally just free bridges.
So it's finally stopped raining, but in the middle of Ljubljana there's a place. There's a warning sign for the rain. So we're just going to try and catch this bus. I know. So we just got on for free again. Same bus driver. He just didn't care. It's 2 out of 2 bus rides we've got free. Now time for bed.